In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Perplexity account. So all you need to do is simply search for the app Perplexity on your favorite browsing app. So there it is. Go ahead and select it. And then you want to scroll through the search results and look for Perplexity AI. Do ensure that you're not using any of the sponsored results. Just scroll down until you find Perplexity and then go ahead and select it. Now, once you've successfully selected a Perplexity AI, to create your account, you're going to just go ahead and select the option Sign In. From here, choose how you want to sign in, whether it's with Google, Apple, or another email. So go ahead and select your preferred choice, and then select your email, and then just give it the necessary permissions. And once you've done that, your account should be successfully created. So from here, you're just going to go ahead and select Get Started. And then choose what type of work you do, whether it's you're a business owner, in finance, student, or even other. And then go ahead and select it. So under the other, you're going to write in your whatever it is you do. Then select next. And then choose how you want to work with it, whether as an individual, as a team. If you have a company, you would like multiple people to use it with, you can choose that. Or for school, it's completely up to you. So select your preferred choice. And then from here, you can choose whether you want to pay for a subscription or not. If it is your first time, I'd recommend you using it for free. And then as you go along, if you like how it is, you can now go ahead and purchase a subscription. Now, there are three tiers. You have personal, you have education, and you have business. Each comes with its own payment plan. So you can go ahead, navigate through them, and see which one you prefer to use. Then, when you're happy, just go ahead and just select continue. And now you can start using Perplexity with your account successfully created. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.